Shadow, get her!
Get him!
Get her!
Oh.
Go get her! He's like, I got her, mommy.
All right, calm down before you have an asthma attack.
Look at him. He came prancing back. He's proud of himself.
Hi, Smudge. My God, Lily, what is your problem? Smudge is like, what is going on?
It's safe up here.
Aw, the music. Oh well, hopefully I don't get nailed for that.
Probably can hear it over Shadow's barking.
Yeah, that's true. You guys done now?
He's so proud of himself.
Hi, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. Guys, I barely vlogged today. I had my work Christmas party tonight, and so I went to that. It was at Palisade. It's actually pretty nice in there. Amy's half naked.
I'm not naked. I'm wearing a sports bra.
Half naked.
I'm not half naked.
Ugh.
I'm like 3/4 naked. I have a sweater on.
Kind of fancy. It was nice. Pizza was pretty good. The cauliflower was covered in black spots. It was disgusting.
Oh.
Way to go, guys. All I thought was if we put that out, Marion would kill us. Alright, today's vlog is going to be a short one because I didn't vlog and I need to go to bed now because it's late and I have to get up soon. And yeah. Lily. So cute. Smudge really likes laying on that mat. So yeah.
You're an idiot.
Lily doesn't never at all. Lily, be nice. Why are you so mean? Well, on that note, I'm going to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.